Salute the YoungStar.
So it starts off. I'll do the beginning, you guys have to end it, yeah?
Okay.
So it starts off like a Jim Carrey movie called The Truman Show. I don't know if you guys never watched that, but it's basically he's in a world and it's controlled by people above him. And they decide.
It's like a big brother.
Yeah. And they decide to completely scrap the world and then make a new society. And you guys are part of the wider, the people watching over you. And you guys decide to just make a new society on a different planet, maybe.
So not on Earth.
And isolated from everyone else. So the society, because like it must be like a split because it's isolated. You must be apart from another group.
So it would be like the high people in like a better place and the lower people in.
Exactly, yeah.
He's gonna start making dresses out of bin bags like JL's.
Okay, so the new, maybe the new radical is so they make sure that everything matches up properly, make sure that everything is done properly on this new plan. That sounds good?
Maybe they do.
Not to get tired of life.
Yeah. To keep up.
And they were getting tired of their life, so they wanted like everyone to become vegan, so like they weren't eating.
You're not gonna say.
So
bring in more Chinese
there was a
immigrants.
lot of people that decided to go and live
Their
on Mars.
population will go down a bit, so
And
they have
then they
more
kind of got
space.
bored, so they started hacking into like Theresa May's emails. That's how it got leaked.
Yeah.
And then you see Donald Trump. They hacked into his his search history and that, and they found him like watching videos of rappers getting killed, and it was very sad actually. He got cancelled for that. So now he's just really upset about it, and now Hillary Clinton is going to get re-elected and put instead of him.
Basically, what happened was, because no one was listening to the Extinction Rebellion, they destroyed New York to send a warning.
David Beckham
New York is now destroyed. Lots of people have no homes. Humans go
has a
extinct.
robot twin who now
Oh,
The humans colony on Mars now controls another planet. They found a new planet, they decided to go to Earth and control it, but they control it for good, and like one person is the main leader, and the leader makes sure everyone does good, and if everyone's doing bad, it makes the paper always like this and fire.
Like that, well done.
The ruler of Earth forms a totally isolated society. So you know the ruler of Earth. Everyone knows the ruler of Earth, right? So that person decides to, grab a bunch of people at random, children, and take them somewhere far away, not in this galaxy, not the Milky Way, gone far, and started a new society. That person thought he was God, so he named them Adam and Eve. Then became super famous after creating a whole society. He made a superhero. I think you guys know him, Superman.
Oh yeah.
He came down from Mars. It's the new galaxy version of Mars. And he came down and he basically saved the whole new society from Megamind. So
Start off the script like that.
literally making movies right now. What do you think the future of fashion is going to be, and what? Yeah, let's start with that.
I don't think anyone's actually gonna care because Kanye West and Kim Kardashian, they're all true to the garden thing with black bags on their head. So I don't think anyone's actually gonna care.
Okay, nice. So it'll just get really weird.
In most of the movies like that are set in the future, it's normally white and blue, but I don't think the colours will actually be white and blue. I think it might be something.
Nice. White and blue in the future. That's cool. Is that how you think of specific movie or just all of them?
Most movies have white, like if you're in cartoon, most movies are white and blue in like the future.
Oh, that's really interesting.
And white and blue clothes.
I feel like clothes and technology will come together a bit more. Like, do you remember Back to the Future?
Yeah.
We had them shoes.
It's
that they lace up by themselves,
Quick thing, those shoes were meant to come out in 2018.
Yeah. But Nike, I checked, they're still making they've made one pair that actually work like properly. But then another thing that's gonna happen is people aren't gonna wear what they like. They're gonna wear what they see other people wearing. Like you see big brands like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, all of that. People are gonna start buying their stuff just because of the name, not because of what it looks like, stuff like that. Yeah.